DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon isn't mincing words, warning the Diskaya Group that even if they stay tight-lipped, they won't slip through the cracks. With alleged irregularities and flood control projects under the spotlight, Dizon says the law will catch up with them and cases are ready to be filed before the Sandigan Bayan. Our Bernard Ferrer narrates the report.
Kung hindi sila magko-cooperate, pasensyahan tayo.
This was emphasized by Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon after the Diskaya couple decided not to cooperate with ongoing investigation of the Independent Commission for Infrastructure ICI regarding the alleged irregularities in flood control projects. According to Secretary Dizon, even if the Diskayas refuse to cooperate, the law will still pursue them. In fact, cases are now being prepared against them before the Sandigan Bayan.
Non-bailable yung mga kaso doon. Tingin ko, linggo na lang siguro ang bibigangin at malapit ng ma-file ng ombudsman. Yun ang sinabi sa akin ni Ombudsman Boying. No?
At the same time, the DPWH will also begin its own investigation into CLTG Builders, a company owned by the father of Senator Christopher Bongo, to determine its possible links to companies connected with the Diskayas.
Ang mga Diskaya mismo ang umamin sa Senate Blue Ribbon hearing, I think nung una o ikagawang Senate Blue Ribbon hearing, na lumaki ang kanilang negosyo simula noong 2016.
The ICI may also summon Senator Go to appear before the Commission's hearing. Senator Go admitted that he sees no problem if he is summoned by the Commission.
Okay na po. No problem. Kung ano sinabi ko sa inyo dito, very much willing po ako na salita. Willing to cooperate. Willing po ako sabihin sa kanila yung totoo. Ayon po sa aking nalalaman. Malinis po ang aking konsensya.
The lawmaker stressed that he has nothing to hide or fear, emphasizing that he is not involved in any irregularities.
Isa po ang aking masasabi, I do not know the Diskayas. Hindi ko po kilala. Kasuhan natin yung mga dapat kasuhan kahit na mag-anak po. I'm willing to be the complainant kung talagang meron silang pagkukulang.
Meanwhile, the DPWH is set to launch a transparency portal which will showcase the department's projects from 2016 to 2025. Bernard Ferrer from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.